Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Broker to Banker Consulting, where our goal is to assist you with climbing the mortgage banking ladder. Are your mortgage lender policies and procedures both current and compliant? Having mortgage lender policies and procedures that are both current and compliant is a critical step towards establishing the compliance foundation needed to be successful in today's regulatory environment. In today's short video, I'll review the importance of having compliant policy and procedures, as well as provide an overview of the many regulations that govern the mortgage lending process. Now, if you've not yet done so, remember to take advantage of our complimentary 30-minute initial strategy call, where we analyze your situation and discuss whether a banker transition process is right for you. During this call, we will provide practical expertise and understanding of the process, from mortgage licensing, investor approval and relations, warehouse bank selection, third-party fulfillment providers, E&O and surety bond companies, origination strategies, coaching, consulting, compliance, and more. As the industry continues to shift, compliance is front and center, with the recent spree of mortgage loan repurchase requests showcasing the need for mortgage lenders to bring their A game in that regard. With that being said, it is unfortunate that many brokers and bankers are utilizing severely outdated policies and procedures, with some being from years and years ago. For those that do have updated policies and procedures in place, you also need to ask if they are sufficient to cover the vast array of regulations that govern mortgage lending. Relying on outdated procedures can cause harm to both the consumer and the organization itself, along with concerns when dealing with regulators, state auditors, warehouse banks, and investors. Additionally, a lack of compliance can lead to fines, penalties, loss of reputation, and consumer trust. Being proactive through robust policy and procedures is yet another way to help preserve an organization's reputation and profitability, because in today's market, every basis point counts. Now, as a quick overview, policies are defined by rules and regulatory requirements such as those found under RESPA, HMDA, ECOA, and TRID. Additionally, the policies of an organization will provide an outline for how to manage a company's day-to-day operations and define its long-term goals. On the other hand, procedures describe how the organization will fulfill the policy requirements and will contain the specific tasks and steps needed to carry out the policy implementation. I have included below examples of some of the many federal policies you should have included within your policy and procedures manual. And by all means, please note, I have only mentioned a few of the commonly known federal policies to be aware of, and that you will need to be prepared for multiple other policies to have procedures built around. Additionally, understand that some states may have additional required policies, such as in California, where you need to be prepared for interim servicing, and subservicing policies, as well as a per diem policy, accounting, and California's privacy requirements. When it comes to mortgage lending compliance, the requirements can be downright overwhelming. As the saying goes, Rome was not built in a day, so break down the components one by one to see what your organization requires. If you need additional assistance with climbing the mortgage banker ladder, that is where we step in to help, with our practical expertise and understanding of the process, from mortgage licensing, investor approval, warehouse bank selection, third-party fulfillment providers, E&O and surety bond companies, origination strategies, coaching, compliance, consulting, and more. You can simply use our online scheduler to select a convenient consultation time and let us show you the path to prosperity.